Hey everybody, good evening. We are live. Let's get the show on the road. Hey, Topple Fiddle, Hermit Money, Miss K in the house, Yo Jim Knob, and Kyle She's in the house also. Good evening, everybody. Welcome. Let's get to it, hey? Well, what do you guys think? What do you think? We're looking pretty strong at the moment. That 8 p.m. candle there, guys. Wow. Hey? How many points was that guy? Popped up 130 points there. Alfie, good evening. Jerry Trades, hey. Took a couple trades in my Lucid Flex account. My Lucid Direct. Yeah, my two Lucid accounts, I made 52 bucks in those guys. One of my Lucid Flex funded accounts, I made 90. And then in my Top One Futures account, I made 750. So there we go. Hey, Lady C. Happy Father's Day to any dads in the chat. Yeah. I got my dad actually visiting me today and over the weekend. So it's nice to be able to hang out with him. He's chilling outside in the back patio, enjoying the nice weather right now. Yeah, so it's good to catch up with him. He's a busy. He keeps busy at home, but it's good to get him out of the house once in a while. So, Reds every day, dog training in the house. Hey, what's up? A bunch of you guys are in the vertical stream right now. We got about 13 people over there, and we have about 14 people in the normal stream. Welcome. So I'm wondering here, we're looking like we're starting to do a pullback here. Now I'm just wondering if we're going to consolidate up in this level or what our next target is going to be. We haven't contacted the point of control yet. We have the value area high above. We did close the gap, obviously, so that was kind of the target out of the that after that 8 p.m. candle. So, yeah, we'll have to be patient here. Is this a Canadian show? Yes, it is, Hermit Money. Can you tell by my did I say A one too many times or what? Hey, Jose, what's up? Surprise MNQ climbed back up after Iran situation. Yeah, that's what, I was watching it. I wasn't at home, but I was watching on my phone, Jerry, and I was expecting a gap down, and which we got, and then we ended up selling off for a bit, and then you know how the market likes to do, right? It just full port rocketed back up the opposite direction. So there we are. I started taking a couple trades here on that, that bullish candle there. Let me see here, MNQ. Let me get back over to this account. So I took a couple scalps in this. Was it this guy? Yeah, here's my Lucid funded. I took two scalps here, sort of pretty aggressive scalps, targeting about 20 points in both of them. 18 or 20 points there. scalped a couple longs there, and then I also took a scalp up here on this account, long one, long 2 contract, I think, added 2 contracts and then sold it all sort of at the 15s. So try to take advantage of the momentum when we had it there. Now it's kind of like, well, what's going to happen going forward here? Are we going to be rolling over? Where are we going to find support? That's kind of the question now. Now that we're back above the, this pink line here would be the start of day VWAP from what was that? Friday's session. So this would be Friday, like Thursday night, Friday's VWAP, because we didn't have a full session, right? We had only a half day or whatever. So that's kind of good for the bulls. If we start pulling back below this, I mean, our next line in the sand is going to be today's VWAP. So maybe we should be a little more patient, looking for a pullback down to the 30,540s. If we find some support there, maybe we'll go higher. Hey, Jane, how are you? Keith Smith in the house. How you doing? Ashlyn, good evening. We have 17 people in the vertical stream there, and 27 people in the regular YouTube channel. Let me see here. Just gonna hop into the X channel there and make sure that it's all working good. Looks like it is. Nice. I haven't taken any trades in my TPT accounts or my Apex accounts. So those are kind of the next 2 that I'm thinking about trading here. Maybe I should try the Apex accounts, which would be this one here. Norm Macdonald and John Candy are my idols. Nice. John Candy is amazing. Norm Macdonald. Oh, Norm. Let me just double check, because for some reason I'm not picturing Norm Macdonald. Oh, the comedian. Gotcha. Yeah. He's hilarious. Gotcha. Trains, planes, and automobiles, eh? John Candy? He's amazing. That was your nickname in high school? John Candy, that reveals your age, LOL. Right? Don't give away too much to their hermit money. Who doesn't know Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, though? That was a killer movie. I do have to hop into the vertical stream here and link the main live stream like I usually do. So I got to copy a link and paste it in there. Copy vertical stream. Cool Runnings. Yeah, that's another good one. Hey, Tim, how are you? Pin that message and then grab the Discord link. We'll pin that in the mainstream here. What an open, right, Randall? Well, first we sell off, and then 8 p.m. candle rolls around, and it's just like. And I kind of thought that we were gonna sell off, because of the whole, battle between Israel and Iran, right? I guess that didn't stop. right? So Jane, they're your heroes. Doesn't that show your age as well? Bud Spencer and Terrence Hill movies? Oh, wow. Those are, I don't even know if I've seen those, to be honest. Maybe that shows my age a little bit. Maybe if I actually saw the video, but from the pictures, oh, those guys. Oh, yeah, I remember that. That was way back. But, you know, I was born in 79, so this was 9 years before Spencer left and Hill in They Call Me Trinity by Enzo Barboni in 1970. Terrence Hill and Bud Spencer in Watch Out, We're Mad, 74. All the Way Boys, 1972. Two Missionaries in 74. Crime Busters, 77. I'm for the Hippopotamus, 79. Very cool. Do you anticipate NQ throbbing up? Harmonized. Whoa. Calm down there. You can watch old shows now. We have internet. Yeah, that's true. Dave doing great. Found out late this afternoon the wife does not have cancer. Yay! Everybody, W's in the chat for Tim. That's great news, Tim. Super happy to hear that. All the doctors were wrong. Pathology reports said no. That's great. That's so awesome. Oh, I feel a sigh of relief over. That's worth some extra applauses tonight. That's awesome. Great to hear. Great news. Happy. Yeah, does that mean, does she not need her second surgery then, Tim? Zexy just passed his Lucid Pro 50K ×5. Very nice, buddy. I think that also deserves at least one applause. What a good blessing. One extra duck for Tim. I think so. Tim gets an extra duck. Where is I gotta find that duck list here because I'm gonna have to have it ready for tonight anyways. So there we go. Really? You got an extra, you got donated a free account on the other stream? Really? For real? With all the good news, I can't help but see a nice throbber for NQ to 30,800. Well, let's see if we end up holding this level here. We could definitely see us going higher. I don't see why not, right? I mean, we got this, we got a bearish fair value gap up at 675, point of control at 680. Do we have some orders up there is the question. We got some orders, looks like about 665 area. So That's awesome. No second surgery too. That's great. Great news. Yes, quite an adjective, right? Throbberini. You guys think we're gonna get one more of these guys tonight? Think we're gonna get one more of those? I don't know. We kind of already got one today. You never know, though. You never know. We do have orders below, though, guys. We have some orders at 580 all the way down to 550. So 550, kind of lining up with this this VWAP here. Hey, Herrera Carlos, good evening. 76, 76, 67? Yeah, a B to the downside. Next one will probably be 9:30 a.m. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Keith Matthew, hey, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Good evening. How are you doing? 2 throbs, 1 cup. Wow, man. This is a PG-13 channel here, bro. Harmonized. All adults here. You have the codes for that? What's up, Vertical Stream? We got about 9 people over there, 48 people in here. We're starting to pile in a little bit. Looks like we got a couple people on X now too. Hermit Money, good luck, boys. I'm a buy and hold guy, not a trader. Software is crazy cheap right now. Oh, you're looking at buying like software companies? Or is it like literally the name of the company software? Hey, Apple 1991. What is that? A bull or is that a bear? That looks kind of like a bear to me. Hey, FN Trades, what's up? Yeah, I took a few trades earlier when we had the explosive candle to the upside. I'm up. Let me just double check here because I don't know if it uploaded all my trades yet. So I made 750 in my Top 1 Futures account, my 150K account. I went a little bit bigger size on that one. And in my Lucid accounts, I took some trades in 4 of my Lucid accounts, I think. And I'm up about $200 in those. Is it showing all my accounts here? Let me see. So I got Lucid Direct 52, 52, 90, 60. So that's, well, that's even more already. So 50, 100, 190, 240, 240 plus 750, so basically 1,000. Yep, MS, Microsoft, Adobe, Intuit, nice. I'll join the vertical on purpose first just to give an extra like. Hey, thanks, Ryan. Appreciate the support. Get some more people over popping in on that side. I know it always ends up showing up. I don't know. The feed is a little bit like, I don't know, shows up more with the vertical stream for some reason. I don't know why, but Damn, it's Sunday already? Yeah. Just take a buy side long from MNQ 58.25, 10 micros, and let's see what's going to happen. Is that what you did, Zexy? Yes, mid-century. It is Sunday. It is Sunday. Hey, Richard Ballman. Good evening. Up 4K today. Good start. Nice, buddy. Skull Crunch in the house. Rocking it. You're short MNQ right now? Trying to make 1640. Oh, is that your like your first target, or your like 50% or something? Didn't you just say you just got those accounts funded? %. Nice. Yes, yes. Try not to force it. Don't force feed it. Richard, you just added one. Gotcha. First TP is 566. Yeah, I mean that's a reasonable target. Pull back. There's a good chance we're going to pull back to the VWAP here. I'd be watching this VWAP for a potential long. I'm curious about the the start of day VWAP from, I guess it was Thursday's start of day VWAP, because that's kind of where we are right now. That's that pink one. Normally I have my start of day VWAPs are red, like this one right here, because that was at the 8 p.m. or sorry 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. But I turned, because we don't really have a New York session from Friday, so I just kept this VWAP on. So just be careful here. If we end up retaking this VWAP with some momentum, it's also lining up with Thursday's VWAP. Just an FYI. Trade your trade. I hope it works out good for you. I did frame out this 1 hour bullish fair value gap below, sort of down at 30,180, but that was when we were in this bearish move here. I was like, I wonder what the targets are going to be below. And then 8 p.m. candle came and it was just like, whoa. Keeping it tight. Nice. Still waiting for the hit of the daily anchor and MNQ at 530. Yeah. Oh, the anchored VWAP from the daily. Yeah. that is a decent potential long area, in my opinion. I'd be looking for a potential long down there. In fact, maybe we should actually I might just put a couple orders there anyways, just to see if we get a wick down. That's about 532, 530, 532 area. I'm going to have to log out of this account here, log back in so you guys can see my trades here. I do like that idea, but like I was saying, we got to be careful here because we're still at the start of day VWAP from Thursday and Thursday's New York VWAP, so that could be a potential support. We are getting a little bit of bounce here. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be instantly turning into a bullish move, but just keep in mind. Maybe I'll have to just log in my trade. Let's do this here. Let's get rid of these guys. Cancel exit orders. Cancel exit orders. Okay. I'll log into my top one futures. Since it's not letting me, I don't know why it doesn't let me log into Apex if I already have Apex open on my Trade Evade account. so that's fine. We'll do it from here. So we'll copy this price, 30,533. Go limit. Uh, 533. And it only wants to let me have two. Okay, well, guess we're starting off with a 2 limit order there. We'll just keep that there just in case we get some sort of quick wick down and a bounce up. Now, if we continue just slowly rolling over here, I might just remove those orders and just be patient for a pullback. But if we get a quick wick down and bounce up, that would be nice. I wouldn't mind getting in along there. Bullish or bearish tonight? I'm still thinking we go down. Really? I mean, hard to say we're going to go down with this type of bullish move here. You could be right though. I mean, I'm not counting out anything per se. We do have some orders above. We have some up at 700 too, 30,700, which would be the point of control. So maybe we're going to head there first before we end up going back down to value area low. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, Des USA in the house. Hello. How are you? What do you think? Will MNQ go up for 668? I mean, that seems like the more realistic target at the moment, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Richard's back in short, looking for the move down to the VWAP, which is not a bad idea. Might get that move. Might get that move here. Let's get a different song going here. Kind of feeling like this one here. No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. Only YOLO. Set my TP for 82.75 points. Wow. I don't think I've ever traded on a Sunday. Is there less volume than the rest of the week? Yeah, you know, typically in these overnight sessions, there can be less volume, but I think Sundays are usually decent. And the reason being is because everyone's been off on the weekend. So lots of people are sort of like itching to get back into it, right? That's just my initial thought on it. And, you know, I've made some decent money on the Sundays sessions. Like I made 740 last 2 Sundays ago, and last Sunday I made 1,000, and then we're already up 1,000 on the day. Although I don't have my one account tied here to this account, so it's only showing about 200. And I don't know why one of my accounts isn't syncing either. So let me just try this one more time. Try it one more time here because it should be it should show like 250 on that for profit. It says no executions. No new executions. Why? Funny thing is I never YOLO on purpose, but do it a lot. Yeah. You forgot the short Friday. Glad you're here. Yeah, the Friday was short and the volume was pretty weak. We took a couple trades and we're like, Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. LOL. Why is this one account not syncing? I made $90 in this one account and it's not showing for some reason. This is my Lucid funded. Shows 50,000. Let's see here. Lucid funded flex. Is it 04? Which account is this? 04. Only. That one shows 05. It seems like the amounts are right, but 30, 30. $19.05. So guys, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Day 15-minute chart for value gap at 567. Yeah, it's right at 570 there. And then we also have one below that at 540. Where's our active point of control? We're getting below the active point of control at the moment. $60, $90. 3 trades there. 52, 52. 100, 2. There should be 250. Why is it not adding up? 30, 30, 20. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with the trade of 8 there. Anyways, it's not that important at the moment. We are getting a little bit of deeper pullback here. Bang, 1 out. Nice. Now or never. Now or never. Let's go. See if we're going to get a nice quick move down here to the VWAP. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. Hey, NQ contract killer. Good evening. Hanging out, looking for a trade here. We got a pretty strong pullback here down to the VWAP. Got orders at 550 now. Whether they're going to take that, hard to say. Looks like some of the orders came off at 700. There was 100 up there. Now it's 97. Not much to worry about, but nice job, Richard. Nice job. Good trade. Good trade. Is that it? Is that all they're gonna do? Wicked Wicks, hey, what's up? How are you? Hey, there's Dad in the house. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Happy Father's Day to everybody else who's in the chat that has children. Hey, Magic Trader, how you doing? $52. Thank you, NQ. Hey, welcome. Nice to meet you. You came to the right place. Hey, look at that. We got about 96 people, 94 people in YouTube, 2 people in X, and we have about 11 in the vertical stream. So good start to the evening here Sunday. We are going to be doing a giveaway. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, once we get up to 100 likes, we'll be starting to do the giveaway on the Sunday giveaway form. We'll get this, get it going for the night. If you guys haven't already, in the full size stream, like for example Magic Trader, there's a pinned comment there, and that's a link to the Discord. If you follow that link to the Discord, head into the giveaway channel in the Discord, scroll to the top, there will be a little link to a form to fill out. Once you fill out that form, you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway tonight. So we are giving away a 25k Lucid Flex account. So Dr. Zenny, hey, what's up? Tuning in for this first time, just subscribe too. Hey, thank you for that. Appreciate that. Hey, Puran, how are you doing, bud? Good to see ya. Good to see ya. High volume 5-minute candle. Hey, yes, we are getting a bit of a high volume candle here. Now, it seems like the buyers are stepping in at this level, but let's see here. We still have orders down at the 550. We got a 20-point bounce off of the 550s. So maybe this this long isn't gonna play out, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Maybe I'm being too conservative here, waiting for this, but we'll see how this next candle forms. Now, if we end up getting back above this, the pink VWAP here, which is the Thursday's start of session VWAP, I can definitely see us going higher here. Skull Cruncher going long, nice. Magic Trader, I trade VWAP mostly for my overall strategy is based off mostly VWAP. I use value areas, previous day's value area for my targets and my levels. And then typically I'm trying to enter off of fair value gaps. So it's a little mix of VWAP, value areas, and a little bit of ICT concepts. Not exactly, but a little bit. So no, it's still going short. Keith? Yeah, you never know. You never know. Force Fed, what up? What up? Kyle, your best buddy's in the house. Like 2 peas in a pod. Okay, Tim, see you in the morning. Great news. Glad to hear that. Thanks for sharing. That's a relief for everybody. Let's go. Hey, Tim, you know Dr. Zenny too, eh? Dr. Zenny sounds like a pretty popular guy here. Knows everybody. Mustang Trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. Charts up. Coffee hot. Okay, sorry. Good to know. Good to know. Sorry about that. So we got another gal in the house tonight. No wonder she's so nice. Hey, Kay Cabrera Poppy in the house. What up? Hello. It's not me. It's the famous people you have in this chat, Miss K, Adam Daz, and Tim Core. Oh yeah, they are. They're very popular. Everybody likes them. Holy shit, just read your update, Tim. That's amazing. Yes. I know, right? We've been rooting for them, saying prayers when we can, trying to support the community. And it's just such a relief to hear some good news once in a while, right? We're always... There's just too much bad news in the world lately. It's nice to finally hear some good news once in a while. And we got 13 people in the vertical stream. If you guys want to hop on over to join us in the full size stream, we got 103 people watching over here. There's a pinned comment in there. The pinned comment in the comment section. If you hit that, that'll bring you directly over to the full size stream. And then in the full size stream, we have a link to the Discord. Hit that link. It'll take you to the Discord. go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a little form to fill out. Once you fill that out, you'll be entered in the 25K Lucid Flex eval giveaway for today. So get in there while you can, guys and gals.
Mother's made a name, whole chat broke, every say Asia, hard to trust, one micro feels too much, real trader stuff, Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays.
Adam Daz, stick with me, kid. You will be everywhere, always. Nice. Dr. Zenny, thank you. You became famous now too. Yeah, it looks like shorts are in control here, so I'm gonna actually cancel these open orders here because I was looking for a quick wick down to that level. So now I'll just be patient here. We'll cancel those orders. I'll wait for the move to actually settle around the VWAP here. If we start looking bullish after that, then maybe I'll take the long. But I mean, technically we're still in a bullish sentiment. We're above the start of day VWAP here. But that being said, I wanted us to like sort of on this candle just wick all the way down and then bounce, kind of like we did bounce, but we just didn't get the momentum that I was looking for. So oh, I missed the stream again. Do you end stream early now? Nope. We start at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then we're usually here for 3 hours. So like 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. Lilish. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings. And then, you know, the usual Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, sort of market open for 2 to 3 hours also. 30,500 is a 50% fib. So you're just measuring out this whole move here. Yeah, I see that.
The candle stands straight up with no pullback. It might be a bone and Campbell.
NQ is dirty, guys. It's dirty. Long gold at the VWAP, eh? You're already over on gold? I can't trade gold. I just get so worried about gold. It just rips my face off every time. Like. Yeah, if you guys can hit that like button, the sooner we get to 100 likes, we can start doing that giveaway. Thanks for all the support, everybody, too. We recently hit the 1,500 subscriber mark, which is, you know, that next milestone on the list. We got about 118 people in the channel right now, 3 people in X, and also 14 people in the vertical stream. Thanks for hanging out over there too, guys. If you do want to get in on the giveaway, though, in the vertical stream, you're going to have to pop into the full-size stream using the pinned comment there. Head into the Discord with the pinned comment in the other one. No, after... Is it after tonight? Or do we have one more Sunday? Or is this the last Sunday of the month? We'll have one more Sunday on this form. So I'm going to just keep in mind that we'll just reset it at the end of the month. So after the last Sunday of the month, we'll reset the form on Discord. So if you guys have filled it out anytime since the start of this month, you're good. You're good. But yeah, anyone in the vertical stream, hop on over to the full-size stream. There's a pinned comment in the full-size stream, and that'll take you to the Discord. Head into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, fill out the little form there, and you'll be entered into the Sunday Duck Race for the 25K Lucid Flex account. And happy to say, guys, I did request some more accounts. So looks like we're going to keep the tradition going. Every Sunday, we'll be doing a 25K eval giveaway. I did get one pro account this time too, so maybe we'll do a 25K pro next Sunday. We'll see. NQ, what's up, buddy? Looking for group. So if you guys haven't if you haven't grabbed Lucid accounts, you can use my discount code Butcher to get 50% off, including their Lucid Direct accounts. So 50% off, maximum of 2 accounts per person. So obviously, if you've already purchased 2 accounts using the discount code, even either their discount code or my discount code, you can capitalize on those 50% off on 2 accounts. But definitely get that while you can before they end up taking that away. When does that one end, actually? Let's see. It ends on July 2nd. So 25K cash giveaway. Oh, $25 giveaway. Oh, Miss K used it at Lucid last week and blew it. Damn. Sorry to hear that. I used mine for Lucid Direct. So you don't fail the account if you blow the consistency, Fantastic Wilson. So you just means you have to reach a higher profit target to get the payout. So that could be a good or a bad thing, right? Obviously, you're gonna have to trade it longer to get that payout. But when you finally do get that payout, you're gonna have such a large buffer in the account that you can sort of like risk more on the day, kind of idea. So, but yeah, definitely what you do is how you do it is you get into your Tradeovate account, right? Let's see here. Go into your Tradeovate account. And then if you have a direct account, just set up your daily profit trigger here. You can set it to lock you out at, I put it to $620. But if you hit that, then no matter what, if you're in a trade and you forget to have to cut it or whatever, it'll automatically sell it for you and protect your consistency score. But if you want to skip the the evaluation stage, then the Lucid Direct is definitely a good way to go. Usually I recommend, if you're going to go straight to funded, that you go top 1 futures. But at the same time, with 50% off, that's a really good deal on those Lucid Direct. And the rules are relatively the same versus top 1 futures. So you going long here? Gordon, going long here. Nice little push up there. That orders, they did gobble those orders at 550, didn't they? Kind of missed that on that last candle there. Let's see here. So we have, it only shows it shows 72 and then 561. Did they pull them? No, they bought them 560. They pulled some of them because only about 25 contracts got taken there at the 550 level. Stopped out on gold. Wow. Yeah, gold's just flushing down here. Song, need to change the song now. This one song is pretty short, so. $123 people watching. How are we doing on the likes here, guys? Would appreciate it if we can hit that like button. We're going to try to get to that so we can give away that account. The sooner the better. We got 64 likes already. Thank you, guys. You guys rock. Thanks for the support. Hey, Raj Tiss in the house. Good evening, bro. How are you? Good to see ya. So we do have the VWAP above here, Gordon. Just pay attention to this guy here and a little bearish fair value gap there. So if we get a nice strong closure above these VWAPs, I would definitely be looking for long. And then we also have the +1 standard deviation right there. So just keep that in mind. If we can start, keep this momentum, this bullish momentum, I don't see why we can't go up to the point of control there. We do have orders popping up on the book at 600, 625, 650 above. Let's take a quick look at NQ and see where the orders are. 610. That's right at the, that's at the +1 standard deviation there from the VWAP. So you're gonna have to keep an eye on that level a little bit. Oh, 585 contracts way up here at 668. So kind of like just above the highs here. Pretty strong candle here, guys. Volume's pretty up there too, so you only go I only long God. I was like, am I reading this wrong? Did you say gold or God? Let's go BC, Gordon. It is a nice BC here, guys. What a move there on that candle. Got in at 550. Nice entry, nice entry. It's a good entry. Wow, good for you. Pavin, be careful with TPT. I'm trapped. I passed the eval, traded 5 days and moved to pro, got payment and lost the account, but I still see my eval in my Tradeovate account now and traded without seeing. That account does not exist in my TPT. Can you actually trade it though, or is it just in there? Because sometimes they just don't update it, right? And if it's not on your dashboard, then you probably can't trade it. If you get to a so you got past it 5 days, moved to a pro, got a payment and lost the account, but I still see my eval. So your eval that you passed, you still see, Pavan? BD 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 Jamil Islam. Which flag is that? Gordon must be the master trader. Always get the top and bottom tick. He's pretty solid. He's got an indicator for CVD divergence. Buck Rogers. Yeah, Buck Rogers. Hey, Randy Trades in the house. Good evening. How are you doing, buddy? Good to see ya. My Randy Trades is a local. He lives not too far from me, maybe like a 35-40 minute drive. Merry Christmas 2020, guys. And then check it out. There's Ralph and Frank when Frank was a little puppy, and Ralph and Frank together, nose to nose. It's so cute, isn't it? Little Frank, little fluffy little Frank, and Ralph and Frank together on like one of the very first days that they met. That was back when Ralph was still mobile. Product subtotal: Lucid Flex 25K Rhythmic 1x100 coupon butcher 30% off applied. Wow, thank you. Did you just buy an account with my code? Thank you, fantastic. Appreciate that. I know, it's so cute, right? Those dogs. That account does not exist in my TPT. Yes, I see the same eval and Tradeovate account, not seeing it in TPT. Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't waste your time trading that account then, Pavan, because it's, you know, unless you want to just fool around with it. But if you already had it into a pro, right, it's not a valid account anymore. Or it would check your past accounts, you know, like I think there's a tab where you can see the accounts that you have already passed. So you should head over to that tab and see if it's actually there. I traded that eval made 1480 in trade of 8, but this account does not exist in TPT. Yeah, it's probably not gonna be there for you, bud. If it's past, they probably just haven't trade of 8 glitch or something hasn't removed it. All right, here we're taking this view up, guys. MNQ changing structure to the upside, right? Yeah, I know, right? Pretty high volume candle there. Feel like I kind of just want a little pullback here. We can try to get into a long. Might let this candle close here and see if we get a pullback into this bullish fair value gap. Support at 552, targets 660 and 719 and 770. Put what I'm looking at in Discord. Gotcha. Let me see. Thanks for sharing. Gotcha. 552 targeting up there. Yeah, some interesting looking charts, that's for sure. Got frustrated and not blowed my other accounts in TPT. Oh, that's good though. Don't blow them. It's market profile on the right. Okay, that makes sense. You gonna trail this last one? Nice. Kind of just want to pull back here. Let's see what happens when we get down to the 600s. They put on like 39 contracts here after we pushed up. Maybe it's going to become support. It looks like they just took them off at the 600s there. Took some of them off. In gold long again, Richard? Okay, I'm gonna try long here, guys. One micro. See if we can't. If we end up getting below this 590-ish area, I'll probably just cut this guy. But just don't want to sit on the sidelines here if this thing decides to keep ripping here. So I could add one more contract here on the pullback. We'll see how this goes. Patience and discipline. See you at Globex. We'll see how this goes. Let me get some other songs going here. Gold and MNQ. You're long gold and MNQ, hey? Nice. Looking for a pullback to 582 to add to long you're in. Amon's in a long right now, and that is on. Looks like NQ. Did I see the cat signal? What's the cat signal? Oh yeah. Dancing girl, cat, heart, cat, square box, and a dancing guy. Gold is tough tonight. It's been breaking even on it. Gotcha. Let's go. Got 250 winner on my personal account. Nice job, FN. Beautiful. Adding 2 contracts long here. Stop 583. JUN here.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit sack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FEG.
The boulevard of broken trend lines here, guys.
Another stop loss.
This gold trade looks like it's gonna work.
Another lesson. Another chart.
No sign of design.
Another night.
Saba in the house. Up, handsome. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Am I blessing? Richard Bowman so far. Trade crude instead, Lafta? The crude's looking good or what? Trump threatened to obliterate Iran again and it didn't go down much. I think it's safe to go long. When did that happen? Did it just happen right now? I added one here on this push up here. Let's see if we can't get some momentum out of this candle. Really need this candle to close above the positive 1 deviation band here at the 612s. Kind of would be good. He threatened to kill negotiators before they returned home. What? No, he didn't, did he? I hope not. That would be crazy. New 30-minute candle, yeah, as we're pushing up here. Seriously? You guys are pulling my leg, are you? That's crazy. Randy, you're long also? Nice. See if we can't get a push here. Let's go. Possibly going to 650. No, there's just a psycho in charge of most powerful military. I don't want price below 610 and we're looking good. Yeah, I think so. I agree, Raj. They pulled the orders though at 625. I don't really like that. And they kind of got a little bit thicker here at the 600s, 620s. 15 contracts. Uh-oh. He's playing with their mind. My mom's cooking some food down there. Don't worry about it, Raj. It's all good. We're safe. Don't worry. It's a very sensitive alarm. Yeah, I got to turn the fireplace off. It's getting too hot in her. How we doing on the likes, guys? If you can take a moment and hit that like button, that would be awesome. We're trying to get to 100 here. Once we get to 100, we'll start doing the form for the giveaway. We're at 76 already. Wow, thank you guys. 129 people in YouTube. Looking like 126 people in YouTube, 2 people in X. And we got about 8 in the vertical stream. That's awesome. That's awesome. Loving the attendance tonight. It's making me hot and not in a good way. Dr. Zenny. That's fair. That's fair. Passed my eval on TPT just now. Nice job. Right now it's 8:33 p.m. for me.
Another stop loss.
Oh, you haven't streamed in a while, hey Randy? So you get on there tonight? Nice.
Another chart.
Can you show me some pictures of ice? You know, I would like to put some other stuff on there, but it just makes my, like, the camera gets all dark. And it starts showing me all, like, dimmed down, so. It's a game. Oh my god, it's game, me, and fright. LOL, I thought it's fire at mine. Oh, geez. Yeah. It's my, I'm like, I think I'm probably the only streamer that puts a fire in the background. Get a push up here again, guys. Hopefully we're gonna get some momentum here. This is like watching paint dry right now. 7 seconds here. Let's get a closure above this +1 standard deviation. Come on, bounce it up, guys. Okay, that's okay. We closed on the top of it at least. Yeah, you rushed downstairs real quick? Jesus. Hey, D Lorenzo, how you doing? Dang, you trade ICT? I use VWAP and previous days value areas, and then I like fair value gaps or inverted fair value gaps. That's about all I use on ICT. So King Ken Tuck. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie before. GG's? K Ken. King Ken Tuck in the house. You're in the vertical stream there, Ken. If you want to join us in the full size stream, we got 142 people watching over here. Just click the pinned comment there. Well, we're trying to make money tonight, right, Richard? Orders back at 620. A little bit. Let's go back over to the NQ here and see what's going on. Oh, 625, 302 contracts, 630, 596. Oh, yeah, you're just seeing it. It did test a doji there. You're right. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens to these orders here at 25. I mean, they're algorithm orders, so they might just move them out of the way. I just, you know, when I watch the NQ, I don't really like it because there's not a whole lot. Although, look at that, 175 real contracts up there at like 680, 30,680, which is at the point of control up there. If anybody's interested, if gold gets below 4190.4, there's a big short potential. I'm not loving the fact that we're rejecting off the +1 standard deviation from the view out there. It's not my favorite. Richard all the way down to 4160. There's a bullish fair value gap down there. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep. It's gonna hold MNQ. Another trend line break. I mean, I like the longs right now, Randall, sorry. After we found the bottom there and then ripped up, I can just see us sort of pulling back and then bouncing again, heading at least to these, back to these 660 area, maybe even up to the point of control at the 680s area. So another night. Base hit gambit.
Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out.
You also use the VWAP and 20 and 9 EMA? Oh yeah, I use a 9 and 21. So we got the white is a 9 and the purple is a 21. EMA 9 close, 21 close. For me, we are in the middle of decision range, so flat for me. Fair enough, fair enough. I mean, I just saw us pull back to the VWAP and we bounced, basically holding the VWAP. So if we can't get above this +1 standard deviation here, that is a bit of an issue for me. So I hope that this next candle can, it doesn't look like it, we just closed down a bit. So that's not looking very, very good at the moment, but we'll see how this plays out. It'll give it a little more time here. Yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the house. I heard your aunt has a VWAP. VWAP. ES hasn't made it back to the over Globex open yet. It hasn't, eh? Oh. Well, we did close the gap though. Yeah, ES closed the gap.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then.
I wonder if Angie is still sleeping, guys. Although she won last week's account, so she can't win this week. So you guys are lucky.
Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits.
This is a comedy song, guys.
Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave.
Silverback Trades in the house. What's up? It's below it again at the moment. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Inside 5-minute bar break or outside coming maybe. Yeah, let's hope it breaks to the top side and not to the bottom side, Nate. I got stopped out on gold twice. I got the message basically paying for information. It wants to go short. I just hate gold, man. I just take way too many stop losses on gold.
Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait.
Getting a bit of a pullback here. Butcher, if you had to trade your starting journey over and work on an office 9 to 5, how would you start? Trading overnight only or changing jobs? Well, it kind of depends on your financial situation, right? So I would trade on the hours that I'm available to trade. I wouldn't put too much pressure on it, right? So
Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands.
it's tough. You have to spend some time with it. It does trade well technically. Gotcha. If we get an inversion on this bullish fair value gap, I'm gonna have to exit this trade here. Not liking it now. Let's go to more chill music here. We need Angia music to come help us here right now. Yeah, it could bounce here, definitely. Let's see. I like that we're getting back above the 600s. Push up next 1 or 2 candles, target. We have about 15 minutes. We got a new 50-minute candle here. So what is my entry here? 03. I might be a little more aggressive here. Try to take some lock in some profits here if we get a push. Come on, let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Kind of risk off area for me. We're smack dab in the middle of last week's, right in the middle of last week's range, and there's overnight gap below us down at 400. Gotcha. Yeah, that might have been the only good opportunity to maybe exit the trade right there. Pump it. Yeah, it would be nice to get a pump it up. Pump it up, pump it up. Keep an eye on your likes. How we doing? We're getting close to 100? $94 likes, eh? Sweet, 6 more and we'll get that I'll get that form ready. So it looks like we have about 148 people in that form. Yeah, 149 people in the form. It's just like NQ to manufacture more highs. I hate the fakes. Seems it used to take highs more often. In short gold, think there's a big move could be coming in early with the feeler and just want to add if it keeps setting up. All right, good luck with that, Richard. I wish you the best of luck. MES still looking bearish. MNQ barely maintaining bullish. Yeah, I see what you're talking about there, Jerry. So what is that? 14? 20. I don't know why I took off all my other orders though. That was weird. Took off my stop losses there. Come on, NQ, let's do it. Hey, Wisdom, you made it. Oh, you made it 100. Nice, thank you. How we doing? We got 149 people. That's my mom in the chat, guys. Wisdom with Mama B. W's in the chat for mom. Got my whole family here, guys. Well, I'm a little bit tempted to just take this profit here, but I would like to see this thing pop up. That was a pretty decent candle closure, but I'm a little worried we're just gonna sort of come back down here. Let's see if we can't get back above this +1 standard deviation. Mom doesn't trade Malaberry Millions. She's not a trader. She just supports the channel, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna download this into a PDF. And upload it to the ChatGPT. Or is it supposed to be a PDF, or is it C? Oh, see, that's what I was worried about, guys. Why are we getting this? I gotta actually download it as a CSV file, not PDF. Yeah. Too many micros? You're down 600 tonight. Damn. Don't know how? What? How did you? Yeah, too many micros? You got trailed out? Gotcha. Bad trading? Oh, yeah. Sovereignty with a 50. Uh-oh. Not good. You got stopped out too? Yeah, if you're already that down that much sovereignty, definitely just lock it out, buddy. Uh-oh, guys. I think I need to cut this. Damn it. You know what? I put on this TP here. My stop losses were all based out down here anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this, I think. Yeah, as soon as I put my TP up there, it took all my stop losses out, unfortunately. Jeez, this thing's really just going down. We get some bad news here or what? Uh-oh, that's really bad. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Unfortunately, that sucks. Oh, that sucked. And watch is gonna go all the way back up now, probably, right? You know, I kind of thought that it should take that profit when it was up there at the 610 area. Should have known better. Someone's got to be the lamb. Led to the slaughter. Yep, someone's got to be the lamb led to the slaughter. That was nasty. VWAP will likely then grab a bounce is a play. Yeah. After the VWAP break, then bounce 540. Gold's tanking too, hey? Still short 612, 4 micros off, and still have 3 less. Nice job there, Wicked. This guy's on fire. Taking a full 1K gold TP, 0 PhD. Nice trade, nice trade. Those inside 5-minute breaks are always on watch. It's an old school, simple way for beginners to have set risk and get into a trade. Gotcha. Looking for the 50% fib at 500. You think we're going to head all the way down to the 500s, eh? Up 3.6 on the K. I entered on the reversal continuation to VWAP. Took partials, took TP right above Asia Open. Going to get here again at the VWAP bounce, hopefully for another banger. Sweet. Nice trade. New hourly opening here in 2 minutes. Yes. Gary Dollywall, 623, looking at 623 level for a bounce, at least 30 points. We could sweep the lows. Hey, thanks, Gary. Gold is going to get violent. Long at the low 500 level. Is that what you're looking at? You're looking for a long at the 500s? Whoa, 169 people, 165 people in YouTube right now. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Looks like we have about 12 in the vertical stream right now, too. $106 likes. What time do we got here? I guess we can probably do the giveaway here in a little bit. We hit the target. I do have the form basically put together. Looks like we've had one person sign up to it since then, Alpha Trader. So give you guys another, like, let's do it. We'll do another 15 minutes or so if you guys want to hop in on the Discord and join that. Join in on the giveaway. You're welcome to. Large sell orders on ES right now. What's the song? It's actually a download from YouTube Music. It's called The Theme Song. If you search on the YouTube free music, it's called The Theme. What is it called? The Theme by Alex Jones. If you've already signed up in the Discord, you don't have to sign up again. You'll be entered. It sounds like the song from Top Gun. Nice. Inversion 570 will launch it. Alex Jones, the podcaster? I'm not sure. That's just the name that was on the when I opened it up there. I'm trying to, yeah. So if you just go to the giveaway channel, right, and then scroll to the very top, the pinned comment at the top of the giveaway channel will have the form there. So trust futures. There is a war on your mind. Huh? Maybe there's another 5-minute inside bar here if it doesn't get too heavy right away. We did kind of stall out here at the fair value gap. Missed my stop by a tick. Still in long. SG Wilson, if you're trying to sign up for the giveaway, just scroll to the very top of that channel, and there's a pinned comment there, and click the link and fill out the form there. Yeah, I mostly watch the 5-minute. Occasionally, I'll go to like a 3 or a 2, but for the most part, I watch a 5. Sometimes I'll manage sort of on the 3. It just slows it down a little bit, you know. I find on the 1 minute, when I watch a 1 minute, it's a little too crazy for me, you know. Maxi in the house. What's up? How are you doing? You think it's launch time for Asia market? Lunchtime. My stress went down when I stopped watching 1 minute all the time. Yeah, I know. It's so easy to get sort of like tunnel vision on that. So how do you sign up, Eugene? There's a pinned comment there in the comment section. Just hit that pinned comment. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of the giveaway channel, and then there's a pinned comment there with a form for the giveaway. Fill out the little form in the giveaway, and then you'll be entered. So it looks like we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 more people signed in there since earlier. So trading game, how you doing, buddy? What happened, Skull Crunch? I live on the 1 minute. Sticks up. 1 minute candlesticks up 6K. Nice job. Nice job, buddy. Killing it. You like the 2 minutes sometimes? Yeah, I'll pop around to the 2 or to the 3 on occasion. So Gordon Gecko 36 stop at 544. Or what are you, your long 3 contracts? Pumping here. Realistically, where's the target going to be here if we're going to stop? Maybe at the VWAP at the 85-86 area? Or was that the move that they needed to do just to stop some people out here? Potential double bottom. We got orders at 87 there on the book, 587. But we are pushing into this bearish fair value gap, so trading game. Ola, yes, just out of bed. Oh, it's pretty early for you then, trading game, or were you napping? What makes it bearish or bullish fair value gap? Just depends on the direction that, you know, if it's a bearish candle, if it goes down, you can see it's red here. This is a green one because it was an upward candle, right? It left this gap. And now if this one pushed down, it left that gap, right? So typically, if we're going to reject, we'll probably reject somewhere around the midpoint of this candle. So sort of at 583 area. So Bossman signed up. And just so happens we have a bunch of orders here up at 587. Nice little push up here, guys. If you signed up before, you still have to enter. If as long as it's only been within the within the last month, then yes, you do have to fill it out. If you haven't, sorry, in the last month, we reset the form basically once a month. So if you've done it since the start of the month, you're probably good. So I was also in a long there, in those same accounts here. I'm down only $100 now out of those 300. I got 2 runners left. As you can see here, I bought it long here. I like the idea that we were finding support here. I added to it a couple times, and now we're pulling back. But I just have one micro in each account left here. And yeah, I took my profits already, guys, for the most part. One stop break even here on the last contract. So see if we can't get it to run a bit. I might think about adding here if we find some support again. Because it's kind of a free ad at this point. If it can might end up stopping me out here, though. I did add one there on that pullback. Let's see if we can't. My stop is basically at the low of the wick here. So if we take the bottom of this wick out, I'll be out of that trade, fortunately. And it looks like I might get stopped out here. Let's see. My stop's at 562.75. Hoping that this thing's going to just, find support here and bounce some more. Back up to the highs would be nice. Or at least back up to the high of this previous candle. I just liked it that we found support previously in this level FN trades. And then, we kind of tapped into the top of this fair value gap again right here. On the 5 minute. Is there one on the 10? Yeah, look at the 10-minute too. There's a 10-minute guy there. Tapped into those guys and then found support. So that was kind of the idea behind it. This was my original idea where I wanted to enter, and then because we had I didn't get the entry earlier, we popped up. That's kind of why I went long up there earlier, and unfortunately that one turned out to be a negative trade. So I gave back some of the money out of my top 1 futures account. That one's still in the green. So I only traded these 2 Apex accounts in this current long where I'm mostly out of the trade, although I did add 1 micro back in. So I have 2 micros in each account right now. My stop is basically slightly below this wick of this candle here. Just with the add in, I'm not willing to risk, losing more money on this trade. So hopefully the buyers step in here and push us up back to the 600s. Would be nice. Might come down and stop me out. My stop's at 562.75. So right there. And looks like I'm gonna get stopped out right here, maybe. Yeah, I'm out. I got out of there, guys. All right, so I mean, I recovered roughly 200, I think, off that trade from that losing trade. So 50, 100, one, look, 180, $180 anyway. So, hey, Angia, good morning. How are you doing? People still trade with Apex? You know what? So Sovereignty, I basically picked it up as some DGen accounts, and then I ended up passing 3 of the 5 that I bought. So I was like, whatever. So they're kind of like my least important accounts, I guess. So 10, 15, 25. So did you go to the giveaway? Go to the giveaway channel and then scroll to the very top. Oh, that probably is it, because I updated just the link on that comment. So 10, 14, 25 is the post. Yes. So that is the form though. Let me see if I can copy the link, and then I can just post it here real quick for you guys. Oh, it's not letting me copy it for some reason. Yeah, that is the correct form. So if you've already filled it out before, don't worry about it. If not, then you're good. You're good. Bet my duck did great and I missed it. We haven't done the race yet, Richard. We're gonna do it probably at 9:30. You're welcome. Let's go, Howard the Duck. Is that who you're hoping you're going to get the costume, Howard the Duck costume for your duck? What do we got here on NQ? We got, okay, so the MNQ doesn't look very clean at the moment. We'll just keep an eye on the NQ here. We do have some orders up at 87 and up at 600. So whether or not this guy's going to bounce here, it's hard to say. We did push down pretty hard, but we're kind of looks like they're trying to find some support here again near the bottom of these lows. Oh, you're just giving him a name? Remember the 80s movie? Yeah. Totally. She's trying to push back up here. Doing something interesting, growing a sweet potato out of my fish tank. No way, really? How do you do that? Like you just submerge it in the water and trying to let it grow, or what? Or you mean you're using like the fish poop water to fertilize it? That's interesting. Interim weakness. Sounds like something that started as an accident, right? Squeeze to 600s. Oh, look at that little pop. Maybe you're gonna get your wish here, Gordon. Why does a sweet potato taste fishy? Totally, eh? Gross. No, you didn't miss the duck race. Hasn't happened yet, Drew. In about 10 minutes or so, we'll probably be running it. But we did hit a nice amount of likes on the session. It's a way to pull nitrates out of the water. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's fish food, right? Fish fertilizer. Volume weighted average fries. VWAF, Romeo. Now you're hungry? Fish and chips. There you go. There you go. I like it. Happy Father's Day to all. Yes. NQ Chop Chop? Yeah, it's not cooperating at the moment. It was looking bullish there for a moment. And now it's doing the chop chop. I don't even know to call it bearish, bullish in any time frame. Oh Lord, they just don't want to give up buying. I don't mind chop if it has a readable range. I can scalp something, but I prefer to scalp with a trend. Yeah, of course. Yeah, this is kind of looking like a little bit like a barcodey situation here. So not ideal, not ideal. Is that a legal definition? Yeah. No, we haven't done the duck race yet, dude monkey. We're going to do that somewhere around 9:30 here. No quacks yet. The ducks are not on quack just yet. Wicked Wicks, push bears, let's go. Back down to the 30,550 area here. Sort of some indecision candles there on the 5-minute. Making higher lows until this last candle, but again, hard to say what we're going to get out of this here. The bears are definitely trying to take it right now. Just are the bulls still in town or not is the question. We do have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that we've tapped into there a couple times now. $547 line in the sand here for the bulls. It's got to take off here or it's bears. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I like it. We should just make a new term. Ryan, what did Ryan say? No quacks yet? Barcodey. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, Barcodey's a good one, hey? Barcodey, I'll be using it. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna start gathering up this list here, guys and girls. I do have to upload this one more time here to ChatGPT and just get the list updated. How many people are in this list here? 154. It's not as bad as you thought it was going to be. Still a lot of ducks. Yeah, it is quite a few ducks. Good luck to the winners, guys. Let's see here. Sounds like the nickname of a mixologist, Bar Cody. Stupid chart, do something, Red. Right, Red? Come on, chart, let's go. Quit playing around here. Turn bullish here. Rip us up higher. Been in a downward recession channel for 3 hours now. Nine minutes here on this candle. I wonder if are they gonna pop this or no? Are they just gonna pull this back down now? Of course, it turned bearish as I took a long scalp every time. Maybe I'm just getting FOMO. I'd have an Apex account expiring, so trying to squeeze it in. Gotcha. Been in this short for 1 hour now. Good job, Wicked Wicks. Nice patience. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to get these names uploaded now, guys. So the form is closed at the moment. So good luck to the winners. I'm just gonna load it up into the duck race here. So 7.5 minutes left on this candle here. 500 coming, guys. That's what you're thinking now? Bounced off the view up there. I hate to do it, but I kind of want to take a long here. 1 micro. Need to get above those 50s right away here if it's gonna bounce. That's a 200 EMA. Proud of you, Wix. That's a long hold. Yeah, that is a long hold. Yeah, impressed is a better word, hey? Nate? Bulls are holding, but they'll get 500 at least, hopefully. You might be right. Yes, I am Canadian. I live near Vancouver, Canada. I'm about 1 hour drive outside of Vancouver. Where are you from? You live in Long Beach. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. It's a pretty beautiful country. Oh, that was weird. Took me out of that trade for some reason. I mismanaged the control here on the so it's ended up taking a little small loser there. So I'm putting in a stop limit here. If this pulls down here anymore, I'll take me out of this trade here. So, hey, D Trent, how you doing? But it's not looking good for the Bulls now. If you ever come to Long Beach, I will buy you lunch. I own a restaurant. Oh, nice, Richard. Famoso Bao. Are the markets pumping after hours? Well, they're pumping down at the moment. D Trent. All right, guys, let's get this duck race on the go here. So I'm going to set the time clear. We'll do it 1 minute and 2 seconds. I'll pull that chart off the side here so I can manage it while we're doing this duck race here. All right, looks like we're good to go here. Good luck here to the winners. We'll set this time. Managing this trade here on the side here. All right, good luck to everybody. We're about to get going here for the Lucid Flex eval. Good luck, good luck. And we're off here. Dude Monkey out in the front. That's not a great place to be right out of the gate here. Sebastian, Tracy, Mahitek, Savage Princess, Candle King, Vigo, Dr. Zenny there. Good luck, everybody. Now if 552 will hold again, we're in like Flynn. I got my stop at 30,559 in the profit, up about $63 currently. Vanch, Mathpal. 10 seconds here. Who's going to rip from the back? Fantastic. Wilson, top 40 brand. Top 40 brand. Are you going to take it? It's top 40 brand here right now. Top 40 brand. Are you here in the chat, buddy? You're out from negative 1K to plus 700. Nice trade. Looks like I might get stopped out in this trade here. Top 40 brand. Are you here, buddy? Give you a few seconds here. Oh, that sucks, top 40. Going to remove him from the race here. We'll give him another 30 seconds or so. Locking in a little bit more here in this trade. Okay, let's race it again. I didn't see him, so good luck. Give it a quick shuffle here. And let's put in the duck race song, actually, while we're at it. Let's do this one. This one's good. Good luck. Good luck. So I'm locking in about 70. I got stopped out there, guys. So I made $70 in all of my Lucid accounts, which is 5 Lucid accounts, I think. Let me just double check my dashboard here, make sure that it's good. Of course, it stopped me out, then it ripped here to the high side. All right, Market Echo Chamber, Jay Mulatto, who's coming up from the back here? Hero Crypto. Go, 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 Goose Cousins. Dude Monkey, Zoomane. Zoomane here? I'm not seeing Zoomane in the chat. I haven't seen Zoomane tonight. I don't see him. Zoomane, are you here, brother? Yeah, all the extra ducks are in there. Oh, you got the Trump duck? Okay, sorry, Zoomane. Zoomane, I guess you missed it. We will race it again here. Good luck here. We're about to go again. You might not see your names, guys. There's just quite a few people, right? We got 170-ish people.
gas.
18-second stop loss hits on a couple. Kyle. 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 I hope you're still here. Kyle Shees. Kyle, you left? No way, did he leave? Did he say earlier he left? Did Kyle leave, man? What? Sorry, Kyle. That sucks. Yeah, he's gone. Sorry about that, Kyle. That sucks for you, but you gotta hang out. It's one of the rules. You gotta be here for. There we go. Good luck, guys. We're off again. We're off again. Good luck, TC. 12th heat winner, right? Volatility Viper. Who's coming from the back here? Britt Martini. Britt Martini, you got it? Britt Martini's in the chat. There you go. What do you mean you think your duck drowned? It's right there. Congrats. Send me a message on the Discord, Britt. Shoot me a message on the Discord, Britt. Congrats. Or just put a comment in the general chat or anywhere in the Discord there. Yeah, just put a comment in the Discord there, please, and I'll reach out to you. I'll send you the link to the, I'll send you the code.
See you next Sunday at the race.
Congratulations. Yeah, I sent you a message back. Just respond to me there. What country are you from? T1 71. Are we gonna keep pushing up here, guys? What do you think? You're from Louisiana? Cool. Okay, that's fair. That's in the United States, obviously, I'm assuming, right? Go locking in a little bit more money in these accounts here. I think I'm trading 5 accounts right now. Okay, so Britt, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the code, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to Lucid here, and you're gonna go to Lucid Flex 25K, right? Select that. Select a platform. Once you get to the payment page, you're going to put that code in there. Looks like I got stopped out in the money there. Let's just hit exit and make sure we're out of all the trades. Cancel open orders. Dashboard. Perfect. Out of the trades. Nice job, Siwa. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, and then once you head over to Lucid and you get that account, just can you send me a quick screenshot to show that you got it, and then I'll know that that code has been used. Coupon management, Lucid Flex 25K eval, copy. There you go. I just sent you the code in the Discord there in the private message. So just go in like as if you're gonna buy the 25K account, and then just use that discount code in the discount code line, and then that should put it to a 0 cost, and then it's all yours. And like I was saying, yeah, please just send me a little screenshot to make sure that it works. Eugene, I only have a couple accounts. I don't get very many accounts, being that I'm a relatively small streamer. So I pretty much do one account every Sunday, because I only get about 4 accounts a month right now. So all the accounts that I do get, I give to you guys. So yeah, so we're basically we have 2 more weeks in a row with it, and then I'll have all of next month also. So we got about 6 Sundays in a row coming up that we're going to be giving these accounts away. Thanks, wrong trade, Jim. Appreciate you. Hey, Domini. Hi, I'm new to prop futures prop. I want to pass my eval. Well, the one thing I can say is just go slow and steady. Don't go too crazy. Keep your size small. Make sure you have a stop loss always, and be aggressive on taking your profits if you can. Locking in green. People don't go broke by taking profits. And if you want, I can link you one of my videos. It can help you set up your trading view chart. And if anyone's interested, here is a link to a channel or a video that I put on my YouTube channel, and that's basically how I set up my trading view chart, how I sort of do my strategy and whatnot. So if you want to head over there, appreciate you guys checking it out and hitting the like button if you do like it. If not, it's all good. Totally get it. That one's a little crazy for right now. It's getting late. So how are my Lucid accounts here doing? Let me take a quick look here. So I'm 126 in those guys. Lucid funded flex. Sweet, hit my my Lucid funded accounts. Did I get both of them? Oh, that one still needs 32, needs $30. You sent the screenshot? Thanks. Awesome. Congratulations. Thank you for that.
When the moon lean low and bright, keep your neck tucked up tonight. He's a Costa Rican vampire.
Nice. I just hit my I just locked in about $28 to get my other Lucid funded flex over the 150 mark, because you got to have 5 days of 150. So I got that one locked in. Let's see here. Sync these accounts. Good luck, Britt. Hopefully you get that thing passed. And one tip on those 25K accounts, if you don't normally trade 25K accounts, is just keep the size really small, because it's easy to blow those accounts, being they only have 1,000 drawdown, right? So if you keep your stops tight and go with 1 micro until you can kind of like get it up there, it's definitely the way to go. Maybe 2 micros maximum if it's in profit and you want to add to a winning trade. That's the way to go for sure. Got to keep it small though. They're easy to blow, the 25Ks. But it's a flex account, so I think you got to do 5 days of $100. And then I think your minimum withdrawal is about 500. So if you get it to like 1,500, once you get it to a funded account, 1,500 to 2,000, you can start taking money out. So keep that in mind. I think it's 1,250 to pass it. So kind of knew that this view up was going to be the level to hold for the longs. First payout came from Lucid, 25K flex. Nice, good job. There you go. I don't know why one of my accounts isn't showing up on here for some reason. So Lucid funded flex, direct. Oh, there's an error with this sync. That's why. There's a issue with the sync on that one. The 0002. There we go. Now it's in there. Perfect. Someone YOLO this move for me, right? That last trade that I took, I locked in it at $28, and man, nothing would have just kept going like crazy there. So yeah, so next Sunday we'll be doing one more giveaway, guys. Look at that Randy B candle. Got a 1 to 3 RR on that. Nice job. Beautiful trade. Nice. Gold is pumping up now too, hey guys? Yeah, congratulations, Britt. Good luck with that one. Hopefully get that thing to a payout. That would be sweet. 104 points on 10 micros. You'll take that? Wow, 2080 locked in, looking for group. Nice job.
I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ switching stops in a rip switch. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these bases.
I knew that we were going to be going here at some point. I thought that this move was going to be the move to take us there, but obviously not. We had to tap the VWAP, right? Once we finally tap the VWAP here a couple times, then boom, look at that rocket. Just a rocket higher. Right idea, bad timing.
I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ 50 round in a dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Fun of the accounts, we throw kid.
Should have traded NQ, so much stronger than ES. Well, ES did make a nice move, right? 36 to 44. But yeah, I know what you mean. You know, it doesn't seem to have the same momentum often that NQ does. Probably going to run to 660 or 700. Yeah, for sure. 660 will be the first target, but 700, 80, 86 to 700 is probably going to be the target. But be careful here. This is a good place to be taking profits if you're long, because, if this decides to be a lower high, that would be bad news for a long if you're in it. Sort of like, kind of look at it like this. Maybe we're gonna sort of like make another low, or actually maybe if this would be better. Well, no. Yeah, it could be a lower high, but it's so far it's looking strong, right? So
yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep. And keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying not financial.
So thick.
Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this.
So we're probably going to end the stream here in about 15 minutes or so. I got to get ready for tomorrow's market open. You know how we do. Got out just in time. Nice. That's good. Yes, I do. I do stream live. I'll be live 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ 50 round in a dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Fun of the accounts, we throw kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits.
I stream live with a guy named Nick. He's a Mustang trader. He's a really solid trader also. He copy trades about 50 accounts or so, give or take. Depends on the day, but sometimes less, sometimes up there. And he's really good at risk management and scaling. So if you guys are interested in seeing him, definitely hop in and hang out with us. I will link you his I'll link you his account right now. Most of the people who have been around for a while know Nick. Yeah, he's a solid trader, and he has a lot of accounts. He's been scaling. His goal is to get to 100 accounts by the end of the year. So we'll see how that goes for him. Should be good. Sounds good, Dr. Jenny. Zenny, sorry. Jenny. DZ. Appreciate the support though. However it may be. Okay, Zenny. Thanks, Adam. Oh, I think it's time to stand up for a bit. Hey, there's Brannitz in the house. How you doing? Long time no see. I haven't seen Klee tonight. No, Jerry. I don't think she's here. Consolidation on the 1 minute chart. Time for bed. Good night. Okay. All right, so thick. Have a good night. Yes, Bookmap is definitely helpful. You can see where the contracts are, right? So we currently have a bunch of orders up there at 681 contracts up at like sort of a 67 area. It looks like they're algorithm orders, so maybe they're going to pull them as price pushes up here. But we'll have to see if price pushes up. I thought that's why you took out the guns. What guns? What guns? How can you tell if they're algo orders? You can see there's a bunch of little white lines on it. So if there's a bunch of little white lines on it, that's typically controlled by one entity. And if it's one entity, it's often algorithm orders. So you'll be able to see if price pushes up there. They might move them up or pull them out of the way. And you can tell if they've been sold because they'll go on the right-hand column here if they do get purchased there. So yeah, I'm trying a big portion of it as one block order, so I wouldn't be surprised to see you get pulled. Yeah. Yeah, if it's on the book map and it has a bunch of little white lines in there, everything to the left of the white line is all controlled by one one entity or one person, one algorithm. So that's why we just call it an algorithm order. And quite often those orders get taken off the book or moved right before price gets to them. So it'd be sweet if it popped up here and they moved, and that'd be a good example of you guys could see. Whether or not price is going to get up there, it's hard to say, but yeah, it's kind of spoofing. They just put the orders up there just to sort of like draw the liquidity up, draw the price up, right? And then they, well, you know, maybe they just say, well, I'm moving my orders because I want to take profits at a higher level, right? But I don't know at what point it's spoofing or whatever, right? But it's kind of the same, right? Let's see here if it's going to do it. Hopefully it keeps popping up here. Go Bulls, go Bulls. Get up there all the way to the highs. Want to see like some 67s. Okay, well, they're not going to make it there at the moment. Might pull back here again. It works on sim spoofing orders. Apex is okay for cheap practice base hits. The only thing, Domini, is that if you go with Apex, you have to pass the account within 1 month. And if you don't, then you're going to have to pay again, right? So... I mean, I think Lucid is a better way to go because it's like a slower, steady kind of situation. But yeah, if you want to just get in on cheap accounts and you're thinking you're going to blow them, then yeah, Apex might be a good way to go. This is not a bullish overall structure. I don't know what it is. If this is not, yeah, I mean, we're flagging out in a bull flag, so no, what's no red? No Apex. Oh, okay. Yeah, somebody's in the other chat. He's at Domini is asking about other options or cheaper options. So yeah, just stay, trade one micro, maybe only two maximum, and just do slow and steady. Don't risk too much, right? So yeah, the only negative thing, well, the main negative thing about Apex is that you got to, you got to have a monthly subscription. So if you don't pass it in a month, you're going to have to pay again. See if they're going to attempt to take those orders now again or not. Got a pretty strong closure there on that candle anyways. See, let's watch these orders. Are they going to get up there or not? Show us, show us. They're just struggling to get up there right now. Probably not red. We'll probably. I don't really have much time left here. We're gonna probably log out of the stream here pretty quick. Back to 640 first, I hope. Hey, Space Futures, how you doing, bud? Can't seem to get past those 60s though, hey guys? 60s is kind of like the roadblock right now. Keep getting up to the 60s and then rejecting 60, 61 area. I just want to see if they move these orders for you guys. Kind of like almost like a sort of ice block order or something, like somebody in the background just selling marketing when we're getting the price up to the 60 area. Pull back to the 20s and then ram through them. Yeah, we might get a bigger pullback here. You are right. You may not be wrong. Kind of a retest of the breakout area is what you're thinking, hey? NQ? A is when I realized you were Canadian. A? I think it's EH though, not EY. Canadian A? Where's our next BC, guys? Let's get another BC here. Come on, pop it. Pop it, pop it. It really looks like it wants to go, guys. Come on. New 30-minute candle here. Well, just doesn't want to go, I guess. Not while we're on the stream. Gold's ripping. Compression. Zero PhD. K. Good night. See ya. See you later. Well, I was really hoping we were going to get to see that that happen there, but it looks like we're not going to get that. So probably just going to wrap it up here, guys. 10:31 p.m. for me anyways. So thanks, everybody. Going to do a little shout out on the top fans here. Thank you, Miss K, Raj Tis, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Jerry Trades, Randall, Ryan, Dr. Zenny, FN Trades, Yo Jim Blob, NQ Contract Killer. Let's see. Wicked Wicks, Jane Bond, Keith Smith, Richard Bauman, Adam Daz, Zexy, Nate, Keith Matthews, Zero PhD, Wrong Trade Jim, Force Fed, Gordon Gecko, NG Gaming, my dad, GLaDOS, Fantastic Wilson, Britt Martin, congrats, Britt, Sovereignty, Raffian, Pace FX, Lady C, Richard Dowdy, Skull Crunch, Maulerberry Millions, Alfie, Lone Wolf Blue, Magic Trader, M Brown, Siwa, Angia, Saba, Topo Fiddle, Economic Pulse, Jaded T, So Thick, Trading Game, Kyle Shees, Trust Futures, Romeo, and Tim Core. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys hanging out. It was a decent, fun time. So hopefully everyone is relatively green on the day. And yeah, thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out. We'll be live again tomorrow morning for Market Open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for all the likes and all the new subscribers and everything. Appreciate you guys. What do we hit on the subscribers? Let's take a quick look here. Wow, 1,573. So thank you for that. Appreciate the support like usual. Love you guys. Okay, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, or if not, Tuesday morning. And if not, then we'll see you Tuesday night for the evening session there. So thanks, everybody. And yeah, have a great night. And we will see you on the flip side. Peace out. Aye. Okay, guys, thanks so much. You guys have a great night, and we will talk to you soon. Peace out. Bye-bye, guys.